Because I have a Bible. I just literally just read this. I'll sleep, and I read this at hours and eat. Yeah. So this is my Bible that God created. I choose the. I'm done reading of this. I'm done reading of this. And I'm done reading of this. This is AV. So where's Adam? Adam was the first person in the world. AV just a second one. This is Adam and AV. And I did not read this before now. Just I found this in my closet. This one is brand new, but it did not dirty. Oh, that's shiny. Okay, let's read it first. God never stopped loving Adam and Eve. Soon they were blessed with children. The first of born womb were Cain and Abel. When Cain grew up, he became a farmer, and Abel became a shepherd. One day, the brothers brought present for God. Cain brought some corn and fruit, and first thing he called find one on his farm, but it's so hard to read it with my camera. Bye.